Hi everybody, welcome to We All Makers. Today we're diving into the world of kitchen essentials to uncover how stainless steel sinks are made. And then we're going to explore the fascinating process of making aluminum beverage cans. And we're stepping into the world of craftsmanship to uncover how steel knives are made. If you're interested in the meticulous process of forging high-quality tools, this video is for you. How are stainless steel sinks made? History of stainless steel sinks. Stainless steel sinks have been a staple in modern kitchens for decades. Known for their durability, corrosion resistance, and sleek appearance, these sinks have evolved significantly since their introduction in the early 20th century. Today, they are an essential feature in homes and commercial kitchens worldwide. The journey begins with stainless steel sheets. These sheets are typically made from a mix of iron, chromium, nickel, and other alloys. The specific composition of the stainless steel gives it its corrosion-resistant properties. Cutting the steel, the large stainless steel sheets are cut into smaller, manageable pieces using laser or plasma cutting machines. These machines ensure precise cuts, which are essential for the next stages of production. Forming the sink bowl, the cut steel pieces are then fed into a deep drawing press. This powerful machine uses a die to shape the flat sheet into the form of a sink bowl. The process involves multiple stages of pressing to gradually form the sink without causing cracks or imperfections in the steel. Trimming and finishing. Once the sink bowl is formed, excess material around the edges is trimmed off. This is done using automated trimming machines to ensure uniformity and smooth edges. After trimming, the sinks undergo a series of polishing steps to give them a smooth, shiny finish. Punching holes. The next step involves punching holes for the faucet and drainage. Precision is crucial here to ensure the sink fits seamlessly with standard plumbing fixtures. Automated punching machines are used to create these holes accurately. Welding and assembly. In some sink designs, additional pieces like reinforcement brackets or sound deadening pads are welded onto the sink. This process enhances the sink's structural integrity and reduces noise when water flows into it. Quality control. Each sink undergoes rigorous quality control checks. This includes inspecting the surface for scratches or dents, checking the dimensions, and ensuring the holes are correctly positioned. Any sinks that do not meet the quality standards are either reworked or discarded. Packaging. Finally, the sinks are cleaned, dried, and packaged for distribution. Protective packaging materials are used to prevent any damage during transportation. The sinks are then packed in boxes and shipped to retailers or directly to customers. How are aluminum beverage cans made? Aluminum beverage cans have been a popular choice for packaging drinks since the 1950s. Their lightweight, durable, and recyclable nature has made them the go-to option for both consumers and manufacturers. Today, billions of aluminum cans are produced each year worldwide. The journey begins with aluminum, which is extracted from bauxite ore. The aluminum is then refined and processed into large coils of aluminum sheets. These sheets are the starting material for making cans. Blanking and drawing. The aluminum sheets are fed into a blanking machine, which cuts out circular pieces called blanks. These blanks are then drawn into shallow cups using a drawing press. The cups are further stretched and formed into tall, cylindrical shapes in a process called ironing. Trimming. After drawing and ironing, the cans are slightly taller than their final size. A trimming machine cuts off the excess material from the top to ensure uniform height and a smooth edge for the next steps. Cleaning and coating. The cans are cleaned to remove any lubricant or residue from the forming process. They are then coated on the inside with a protective lacquer to prevent the beverage from reacting with the aluminum. This coating is essential for maintaining the taste and quality of the drink. Printing and necking. The cleaned and coated cans are then printed with brand designs and logos using high-speed printing machines. After printing, the cans go through a necking process where the top of the can is gradually narrowed to form the neck. This allows the can to be sealed with a smaller lid, saving material and cost. Seaming. The next step involves attaching the lid to the can. This is done using a seaming machine, which crimps the lid onto the neck of the can, creating an airtight seal. The lids are usually pre-formed with a pull tab for easy opening. Quality control. Each can undergoes rigorous quality control checks. This includes inspecting the print quality, checking the dimensions, and testing for leaks. Any cans that do not meet the quality standards are either reworked or recycled. Packaging. Finally, the cans are palletized and wrapped for distribution. They are typically grouped in packs and placed on pallets for easy transportation to retailers or beverage manufacturers. How are steel knives made? Steel knives have been essential tools for humans for thousands of years. From ancient blacksmithing techniques to modern precision engineering, the process of making knives has evolved significantly. Today, high-quality steel knives are prized for their sharpness, durability, and craftsmanship. Selecting the steel, the journey begins with selecting high-quality steel. Different types of steel are used depending on the desired properties of the knife, such as hardness, corrosion resistance, and edge retention. Common types of steel used in knife making include stainless steel, carbon steel, and tool steel. Forging the blade. The steel is heated in a forge to a high temperature, making it malleable. The heated steel is then hammered into shape by a blacksmith or using automated forging hammers. This process involves multiple stages of heating and hammering to gradually form the blade. Forging not only shapes the blade, but also aligns the steel's grain structure, enhancing its strength and durability. Grinding and shaping. Once the blade is forged, it is ground to refine its shape and create a sharp edge. This involves using grinding wheels and belts to remove excess material and achieve the desired blade geometry. The knife is carefully shaped to ensure balance and optimal performance. Heat treatment. The forged and ground blade undergoes heat treatment to harden the steel. This process involves heating the blade to a specific temperature and then rapidly cooling it, usually in oil or water. The blade is then tempered by reheating it to a lower temperature to reduce brittleness and improve toughness. Polishing and finishing. The heat-treated blade is polished to remove any surface imperfections and achieve a smooth finish. This step enhances the blade's appearance and prevents rust. Polishing is done using abrasive compounds and buffing wheels. Creating the handle. While the blade is being forged and finished, the handle is crafted separately. Handles can be made from a variety of materials, including wood, plastic, and metal. The handle material is shaped and fitted to the tang of the blade, which is the part of the blade that extends into the handle. The handle is then secured using rivets, pins, or adhesive, assembling the knife. The finished blade and handle are assembled to create the complete knife. This step involves ensuring a secure fit between the handle and blade, as well as finalizing any additional details such as engraving or embellishments. Quality control. Each knife undergoes rigorous quality control checks. This includes inspecting the blade for sharpness, checking the balance and weight, and ensuring the handle is securely attached. Any knives that do not meet the quality standards are either reworked or discarded. Packaging. Finally, the knives are cleaned, sharpened, and packaged for distribution. Protective sheaths or cases are often included to prevent damage during transportation. The knives are then packed in boxes and shipped to retailers or directly to customers. Thanks for exploring the steel knife production process with us. If you're amazed by the blend of technology and craftsmanship we've showcased, like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe to We All Makers for more interesting journeys into the world of manufacturing and industry.